Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Kopipa. My number name is 1923-5081 and I'm from the Information System Study Program. This is my remedial presentation for the English course. I hope this can show my improvement and help me complete the course. Today, I'm going to talk about several topics, including computer networks, technography, cryptography, the internet, email, and artificial intelligence. And all right, let's get started. Okay, this is the material. First, I can implementation presentation for the topic computer network. Introduction to computer networks. What is a computer network? A computer network is a collection of interconnected devices that can communicate with each other and share resources. Think of it's as a digital web that allows information to flow seamlessly. Connected to or more computers and devices enable communication and resource sharing efficiently. Common example include sharing printers, accessing files on a central server, or simply browsing the internet. Next, types of networks by size. Networks are categorical based on their geographical reach, from a small office to global connection. Number one, LAN or local area network covers a small localized area like an office building, home, or school campus. Think of your home Wi-Fi networks. Number two, MAN or MAN, metropolitan area network, spans across an entire city or a large campus. It's larger than a LAN but smaller than a WAN, often connecting multiple LANs. Number three, once wide area networks cover vast geographical areas connecting cities, states, or even countries. The internet is the large example of a one. Next, basic network component. Understanding the fundamental building blocks is key to grasping how networks operate. Number one, this is router, switch, cables, and computer or server. Next, common networks topologize. Network topology refers to the arrangement of elements of a communication network. This basic structure define how devices are connected. Star, device connector to a central hub like a switch or router. If the central device fails, the entire network goes down. Bus, all devices share a single communication cable, simple to install, but a break in the cable can help the entire network. Ring, devices are connected in a circular loop with data passing from one to the next. A single point of flare can disrupt the entire ring. Next. Advantage of computer networks. Networks have revolution how we work, communicate, and access information. Resource sharing. Easily share expensive hardware like printers as well as files and internet access among multiple users. Faster communication enable instant communication through email, messaging application, and video conferencing, bridging geographical distance. Centralized data management allow for secure storage and management of data on central server, improving data backup, recovery, and security protocols. Cost saving, reduce hardware and software cost. Resource can be shared, eliminating the need for individual purchase or each device. Next, real life examples of networks. This is home Wi-Fi networks, university campus networks with campus area network. Next, corporate ones, and last but not least, mobile phone networks. Okay, next, why networks matter? Computer networks are the invisible backbone of our modern digital world. They not only connect people and devices globally, but also enable seamless collaboration and rapid information sharing. Without them, the internet as we know it and the vast majority of digital communication will not be possible. Okay, next the topic introduction to steganography. What is the steganography? Steganography derived from Greek words meaning cover writing, is the art and science of hiding message or informations within other non-secret text or data, unlike cryptography, which scramble message to make it unreadable without a key. Steganography aims to conceal the very existence of the message itself. The goal is for an observer to not even suspect that a hidden communication is taking place. This makes it a powerful tool for covert communication, often used in conjunction with encryption for an added layer of security. Next, digital steganography. In the digital realm, steganography exploit the redundancy and inherent structure of various file formats to hidden data without causing perceptible change. Least significant bit (LSB) modification. Image. The most common method, the least significant bit of each pixel color value, is replaced with a bit of the secret message. This change is typically imperceptible to the human eye. Audio. Similar to image, LSB modification in audio files involves altering the least significant bits of audio sample. The resulting sound change is usually inaudible. Frequency domain techniques. Audio or image. These methods involve transforming the media into the frequency components. Data is then embedded in this frequency coefficient, which are less susceptible to certain types of attack. Next, metadata embedding various files. Many files contain metadata such as creation date, author, camera model, or GPS coordinate. Information can be hidden within UNUS or really check files of this metadata. Next. The steganography process flow, understanding how information is embedded and extracted is key to grasping steganography power. This diagram illustrates the two main space embedding where the secret message is hidden within the cover medium and extraction where the hidden message is recovered stego medium, but process require a common algorithm and often a shared key. Next, common file format for steganography. Steganography relies on the subtle manipulation of file formats. Certain formats are more conducive and to information hiding due to the structure and redundancy. Number one, image format like PNG, portable network graphic, GPAG, Joint Photographic Expert Group, but audio like WAV, waveform audio file format, or MP3, MPEG-1 audio layer 3. And next, document and other format like PDF, portable document format, and network protocols. Next. Okay, real world application and benefit. Beyond convert communications, steganography often practical benefit across various industries. Number one, secure communication, data authentication, digital marketing, intellectual property protection. Next, the future of steganography. Steganography remains fascinating and evolving field at the interaction of cybersecurity, communication, and digital media. Its future will likely be shaped by advancement in AI, quantum computing, and the increasing complexity of digital data. Key takeaways. Hide message existence unlike encryption, underlies subtle data manipulation in digital files, differs application from security to copyright, face challenge in robustness and detection. Next, future trend, AI-driven embedding and detection, integration with blockchain for immutable watermarking, quantum steganography for enhanced security, and last, more robust adaptive technology. And next, the topic, introduction to cryptography. What is cryptography? Cryptography is the art science of secure communication in the presence of adversaries. Think of it as a secret language designed to protect your information. Its main goals are to ensure that only authorized people can understand message or confidentially, that information has been tempered with integrity, and that the sender or receiver is really who they claim to be, or authentication. From sending private message to making online purchase and securing files on your computer, cryptography is working silently and the background every day to keep your digital life safe. This is confidentially, integrity, and authentication. Next, a brief history of secret codes. This is a history from cryptography. Next, to how cryptography works. This is cryptography works. Is number one, plain text, original readable message. Number two, encryption, like algorithm and key transforms plain text. Number three, clip text. Next, description, and last, plain text. Next, core concept for strong security. This is a strong algorithm. These are complex mathematical formulas that are incredibly difficult to crack without the key. They undergo rigorous testing by experts to prove their resilience against attack. And next, K lengths. Longer K mean more possible combination, making it exponentially harder for attackers to guess or brute force their way in, for example. And next, safe key management. This is a description. Types of cryptography. This is a type cryptography. Uh, Three types for cryptography. This number one, systematic key cryptography, asymmetric key cryptography, and last, hash function. Hash function like fingerprint. And next, cryptography in everyday life. Mm, in real life, cryptography in HTTPS, online banking and payments, private messaging, software updates, and cloud data protection. Next the topic introduction to internet. This is internet, and what is internet? The internet is a vast global network of interconnected computer networks that communicate using standardized protocols. It's the infrastructure for nearly all modern digital communication and information exchange. This global reach, information hub, and everyday impact. And next, unlocking potential benefit of internet. This is a benefit of internet enhance communication, install global messaging, live video calls, and social platform connect people effortless. Next, accessible the education like online course, research database, and virtual classroom, over learning opportunity to all, and economic opportunities like e-commerce, remote work, and digital entrepreneurship drive new business models. Next, the Internet of Tomorrow, emerging possibilities. This is emerging possibilities of internet, artificial intelligence or AI, Internet of Things or IoT, exchange global connectivity, and last, metaverse and immersive experience. And next, conclusion, a connected future. The internet is a dynamic force, constantly evolving and reshaping our world. Power, risks, and possibilities. This power, un, unprecedented, unprecedented access to information, global connectivity, and economic opportunity. And risks, challenge like cybersecurity threats, mining information, and privacy concern demand vigilance. Possibilities, emerging technologies promise a future of even greater connectivity and innovation. Next, the topic, introduction to email. What is email? Email, email short for electronic mail, is a method of exchanging digital message from the author to one or more recipients. It's an asynchronous communication tool, meaning message can be sent and received at different times. Universal connector connect connects billions globally, transcending geographical boundaries. Foundation of digital identity, often the primary key for online accounts, service, and application. essential for business and education, the formal standard for professional correspondence and academic communication. Next, this is this is how email works. And first, compose and send. Next, SMTP relay, recipients mailbox, retrieve mail. Okay, key benefit of email. This is description benefit of email. Speed and efficiency, document and archiving, global reach and accessibility, and cost effectiveness. Okay, next. Risk and challenge. While powerful, email also comes with its own set of heartless spam and unsolicited mail, unwanted mass emails that clogs inbox and reduce productivity. Modern filters help, but some still slip through. Phishing and scam. Deceptive emails designed to trick recipients into revealing sensitive information or downloading malware. Information overload. The sheer volume of email can lead to stress and difficulty in prioritizing important message. And last but not least, this is last topic, introduction to artificial intelligence. Okay, what is artificial intelligence? Why does it matters? Efficiency and automation. Automate rep, repetitive tasks, freeing humans for complex problem solving, and change decision making, process vast amount of data to provide actionable insight. Innovation catalyze, devise new discoveries and technological advancement across industries. Next, this is types of AI. This is like narrow AI, general AI, and super intelligence. Narrow AI or ANI, designed for specific tasks, and general AI, hypothesized AI with human-like cognitive abilities capable of understanding and learning any intellectual task. Super intelligence, AI surpassing human intelligence in all aspects, including creative and problem solving. AI in action, real world application. First, healthcare, manufacture, education, retail, and transportation. And next, ethical AI, building a responsible future. This data privacy, ensuring personal data used by AI is protected and secure. Transparency, understanding how AI makes decisions and its underlying logic. Fairness and bias, developing AI systems that are free from discrimination and equitable for all. Accountability, establishing clear responsibility for AI's account, action, and impact. Last, regulation, creating policies and laws to guide the responsible development and deployment of AI. Okay, this last. Okay. That's all for my presentation. Thank you so much for watching and for giving me to the opportunity to complete this remedial task. And I hope my explanation was clear and useful. See you and have a great day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.